Hello and welcome back to Universe Sandbox for the second time now. I cannot wait to see how many times I could destroy the Earth, the entire solar system, and maybe even the galaxy in this episode with one single click. Let's go into our good buddy old pal, Earth. Now what can we do with Earth now? I think we know exactly how we can screw him up. Nice and good, nice and good. I think I'm gonna throw a moon at him, or maybe something like that. Also, sorry guys for the upload. No upload yesterday. I'm sick. I have a sinus infection. I know it doesn't sound like it because sinus infections are like that, but I do have a sinus infection. It's kind of bad. But yeah, we're just gonna toss this moon at the Earth, and we're gonna go by 100 seconds a second, and we're gonna just see 1,000 seconds a second. Oh man, we're just gonna see what that impact would look like on the side of the Earth. Okay, slow it down. I want to be right on this when it impacts. Go down, press C. Right on the right on the right on the Earth when it impacts. Right on the Earth when it impacts. Oh, I need to get off of this. Well, that is something. There's particles everywhere, and all the other particles are coming back and landing back onto the Earth again. Oh, whoa! Don't click on a particle. We can't afford the performance lag right now. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Earth is now probably hot. Yeah, it's very warm. I don't know how many billions of years this would take, but I want to see how long it would take for the Earth to eventually cool. And oh, it's actually cooling rapidly. It's rapid cooling. It's cooling. I just want to see how long it would take to cool and form new landmass. And I want it to be a habitable temperature. So maybe human life could be back on this eventually. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. I don't know how many years or forever this would take to be habitable again. Keep going. I could just do this myself. There we go. Okay, there we go. Now we slow it down. We slow way down. It's habitable again. And there appears to be landmass somewhere on this thing. Right? Is there a landmass on this? Is there any landmass on here at all besides water? Yes. Yes, there is. Small little bit of there's a tiny island. That's that's depressing. There's like 2 islands over this whole thing. Well, it's habitable now. We destroyed Earth, made it habitable again. I think we try again. Okay, back on Earth again. Back to what we have normally been used to in this. Let's put it at a minute a second. Okay. I say, what could we do this time? What could we chuck at the Earth to make it that much more interesting? Random exoplanet. Oh, wait, no. Oh, this could screw us up. Kepler is going that way. This is gonna hit the Earth and take it for a ride. Oh my god. This is not what I had planned. We have a second Jupiter in the system now. Well, that's okay. It's actually bigger than Jupiter. Make it a sun. Oh, I just exploded it. It's a supernova now. I think. I'm pretty sure that's a supernova, right? It's either a supernova or I just exploded it into a giant dust cloud. I don't know what I did. But the sun's temperature is going up, and that should not be happening. So Venus, is your temperature rising? I mean, you're pretty hot already, man. 791 degrees. I mean, you're pretty hot. Whoa. I just exploded a star in our solar system. I say we get another star wherever I put those. Here they are. The sun. We just make it a still star. And actually, we want to take it and explode it. And now we have a supernova gas cloud thing. That doesn't make a lot of sense. A double supernova. I'm just messing at this point, man. I'm just seeing what I can do with it. And it's looking pretty promising. Random known star. Can I put what? Can I put like some crazy stars in here or something? Sirius. Scooty. Crab. Oh, that's a pulsar. Pulsars are small, dude. They're not big. Pulsars are small, man. Let's actually go look at a pulsar if we can find one. Okay, I have found a pulsar. It is a binary pulsar, and pulsars spin really fast. They actually spin a lot faster than that. They spin at like 80 rotations per second or something like that. But I just want to know what would happen if you decided to, I don't know, maybe chuck a planet in here. Oh, Earth is actually huge. Would Earth not be like instantaneously crushed from the sheer density of these objects? Or no, Earth is trying to orbit both of them, and it's just not where. Oh God, the seizures. Oh yeah, Earth is being ripped apart by the sheer gravitational pull, or it's melting. Something's happening to it. I think it's being ripped apart by the sheer gravitational pull of these two. Absolutely, yeah, it's being ripped apart. It's being ripped apart. It's burning alive as well. It's on fire. Earth is on fire. Whoa. So what happened to the other pulsar? It's just the one pulsar, and I think the other one may have gotten ejected out of the system. I think the other one got ejected out of the system. Well, that's good. I'm sure that bodes well for Earth and all the fragments, millions of them that's coming off. Let's try something else. This is Earth at this was Earth at 100,000 degrees Fahrenheit. I didn't even do anything yet. What? It just instantaneously evaporated. Let's try 50,000. Okay, a little slow, and it's gone. Okay, let's try 20,000. 20,000 Celsius. 10,000 Celsius. It's melting away. It's rapidly cooling, though. I think it might survive this one. Let's speed it up and see what... Oh, it's losing all of its mass. It lost all of its mass. Now it's a cold rock with a little bit of land mass and no water, because you don't need that. This is a supernova in a galaxy, what it would look like in a galaxy. That's crazy that you can see it from a galaxy like that. Then there was once so much stuff here. And it looks like I'm not moving an inch, but I am flying at like the speed of light right now. That's insane. And I can't even zoom out anymore. Whoa. We're just kind of trapped in the midst of endless space. This is such a cool visual. This could be the thumbnail for the episode. What do you think? Oh, and it's gone. Supernova disappeared. Well, that's interesting. This is the planet volatile test, whatever that means. I have no idea what that means. What is the planet volatile test? Just makes it an eyeball, I guess. Just makes it an eyeball. Hey, look, you're finally completing an orbit. Good job, dude. Everybody's completed their orbit. The middle one's completed about 15. maybe 50, I don't know. This is simply showing off the fact that you can fit every single planet in between the Earth and the Moon. In real life, you could anyway. If you wanted to fit every single planet in between us, you absolutely could. But I'm pretty sure if I unpause, everything's going to start exploding. No, it's actually locked. Huh, wow. So what if we start messing with things? What if we make... Oh, that's... was going back down. You swallowed a planet. It actually is fine. It doesn't actually break. Okay. This is the ultimate engineered solar system, and it's running so slowly. But it's just a bunch of, like, small planets in the perfect habitable zone around the sun. It's perfect, and it's just a bunch of little dots moving around. This is really cool, but what happens if I were to, say, mess up your perfect little solar system? And I exploded the sun and made the game run at 5 FPS. Oh, I need to choose something else. Okay, back to our own little humble abode here in our solar system. So this time around, okay, I think we're going to take the sun and let's replace it with a different star that maybe might be about the same mass. What would that be? Maybe Alpha Centauri B. Okay, so we're going to have to take the sun, and I'm not exactly sure how to do this, but we're going to have to take it, and we're going to have to delete it. Okay, everything's paused right now. We take it, and we delete it, and what you want to do is take Alpha Centauri B and shove it right in the dead center, right where the sun was. About right there. And unpause and see. Whoa. That was affected immediately. Everything started having a different gravitational pull. Earth is... I don't think Earth is coming back right now, man. Earth looks like it's gone. Earth looks gone out of its orbit. Okay, no, it's coming back. It's going to come back and do a different orbit. But Earth got cold. Africa is snowed in. That's a rare sight. Mercury, Venus. Is Venus cold? No, Venus is still hot. Of course it is. Mercury is actually becoming habitable right now. Mercury is slowly becoming habitable. Even though it has nothing that we need for life. But it's slowly becoming habitable temperature-wise anyway. Mars is cold as always. Our new star is... Oh, that makes a lot more sense. Yeah, it's less Kelvin than the sun was, so that makes sense why everything's cooling off. What if we pause now and we delete that and we add the sun back, right back to where it was in the beginning. Bang. And we unpause. Is everything just gonna go back to normal now? No, Mercury's still screwed. Earth is there. Earth is kind of a suggestion right now in what it's going to do with its orbit. But everything's slowly going back to normal, I guess. I don't even know how that makes any sense, but I mean, I'll accept it. So what if we were to make the Earth a star? Naturally, anyway. Naturally. We were to make the Earth a star naturally. Actually, we might want to go an hour a second. An hour a second would be good. We're gonna need it. Material. Let's add hydrogen. There's a lot of that in the stars. Let's make it 0.1 times the size of the Earth. And we're gonna have to make it go... Let's make it go 0.5 light speed. Let's just start launching particles at the Earth. Particles of hydrogen, anyway. Just tons of freaking hydrogen. Whoa, it's way back there. Oh, that's not good. I think it missed. Let's do automatic mass. Oh, the particles are way too far away. Okay. What if we just launch a bunch of that stuff at the solar system? I mean, it'll get there eventually, right? Just launch it at the solar system from way out here. That would be scary. Let's speed up time. What happens when this stuff hits the solar system? If it even does hit the solar system, I don't know what's going on. Hit the freaking solar system, go. Do something cool. I'm not here for nothing. I think it's just being picked up by little small things as it passes through. It's definitely not being picked up by this idiot, that's for sure. This is Space Live View, exactly how it is right now in this moment. 10:06 p.m. Exactly how it is. Yep, United States is dark. Of course it is. That's where I live. It's definitely dark outside right now. But you got the moon. You have the James Webb. This is awesome. Oh, the James Webb. Can I blow up the James Webb? Is that a thing? Oh, I can blow up the James Webb. I blew up the James Webb telescope. I think I blew up the James Webb telescope. I'm sorry, science. I didn't mean to do it. Alright, well, that was Universe Sandbox around for the second time. I had a blast recording this game. Again, sorry for the no upload yesterday. I was sick. I'm still sick. But don't worry, I will get back on my upload schedule just in time for a new episode of People Playground or Spider-Man to come out. But I love you guys. Subscribe if you want to. You can hit the like button if you feel up to it. Bye-bye.